there ready to go. They'll be putting on breathing apparatus and simulating putting out the car fire, which for this scenario is the flashing red beacons. Use your imagination, folks. This will be to protect them from the hazardous smoke that the car will be producing. Normally the driver will be getting out the hose lines ready to fight the fire, so when the PA operators arrive, they can get straight into putting the fire out. On this truck, the breathing apparatus is in our side locker. On our pumper, it is in our seats. Two firefighters now donning, we call it, the breathing apparatus. The first firefighter will protect any exposures with the water jet. The wind will carry the water, so be mindful if you don't want to get wet. We have 90 seconds to get BA on and get to the fire. We use breathing apparatus for all fires where we may be exposed to hazardous smoke. As this is a car, our members will put on the breathing apparatus. So the member currently fighting the fire would be downwind of the smoke, he would stand out of the smoke and would be protecting anything else from catching fire. Members in BA will now take over from the firefighter on the hose. This breathing apparatus allows them to get close into the seat of the fire and make sure it is fully extinguished. So as you can see, they've got helmets, flashers. They're basically carrying a tank of air on their back. In normal conditions, they'll be able to work like this for 40 minutes before they have to change cylinders. If you're wondering where the water comes from, the truck behind me carries 4,000 litres of water. That will be more than enough water to put this car fire out. And thankfully in the Carrum Downs area we have plenty of fire hydrants where we can connect the truck up to. So as a team now they will work through extinguishing the car fire. We normally have tools where we can pop open the bonnet because they often start in the engine compartments. The crew will work in pairs around the car, making sure it is fully extinguished. And safe for the police and the towing company to deal with. So as you can see, the firefighters use various patterns to approach the car. So they're currently on a frog pattern. That gives the firefighter protection from any heat.